Hello, welcome back. Today we're doing topic on first order differential equation. This is like the first chapter in differential equation class for that differential equation class in that semester. And the questions that we have today is about a bus which is traveling on its road trip with a velocity that can be modeled with the differential equation of dv over dt given by 3av squared, which is here. The bus started to cruise with initial velocity of v at 0 with 15 meter per second. Suddenly the velocity of the bus started decreasing at the rate of 2 meter per second square when the velocity of the bus was 10 meter per second. So we need to find how long will the bus take to reach the velocity of 1 meter per second and how long will it take to come to a stop. Okay, so let's start with the modeled equation, the differential equation of the bus. So we have dv over dt given by 3a v squared. Okay, so I'm gonna bring that v squared on the bottom just to put those similar quantities together so I can integrate that with respect to v, and similarly dt goes on the other side, and I'm going to integrate that with respect to dv and with respect to dt. So on the left hand side, after my integration, I'm going to have v minus 1 over negative 1, and here I'm going to have 3at plus c. C is a constant I introduced after the integration because my integration before had no limit of integrations. Okay, so my v will be negative 1 over 3at plus c. That is my v. Okay, so far so good. Okay, that is my v. Now we need to find also the value of my a. So if you look at these second conditions, when the velocity was 10 meter per second, the bus started decreasing at the rate of 2 meter per second. So dv over dt, which is the rate of change of velocity, which is acceleration, which is negative 2 meter because it started decreasing, so it's negative per second square, is equal to 3a 10 square. That 10 I got it from here because when velocity is 10 I get my acceleration negative 2 meter per second squared. So negative 2 over, that is like 3 times 100, 10 squared, which is 100 times 3 is 300a, and that gives me my a equals to negative 1 over 150. Okay, that is my a. Okay, so now that is the first condition. I just found my a. So let's find my c. Here v of t was negative 1 over 3a t plus c, but then we know v of 0, which is 15, is given by negative 1 3a 0 plus c. I just replaced that time t with 0, so I will have c equal negative 1 over 15. Okay, that is 15, by the way. 15, right? Okay, so now, so let's substitute everything back to my function, the equation of velocity for the bus. So I have negative 1 over 3, my a is negative 1 over 150, and my t stays there, plus minus 1 over 15. Okay, so now the question is asking us how much time will the bus take for that bus to reach a velocity of 1 meter per second. So that v of t will become 1, negative 1, and I have 3t over 150 minus 1, or I can also say 10 over 150 just to get the same denominator. Okay, and once I do the calculation here, I'm gonna get 140 over 3. 140 divided by 3, which is 46.66 seconds. 6 seconds. Okay, the bus will take 46.66 seconds to get to a velocity of 1 meter per second. So for the second questions, the question is asking us how to find the time for that bus to come to a stop. But we can actually answer this without actually doing a problem. If you focus here, v of t is given by negative 1 divided by 3at plus c. So if you replace that vt to 0, because that's when the velocity of the bus becomes to 0 when it comes to stop, the whole thing has to come to stop on right hand side too. So you have to get a 0 here also to satisfy the equation. In order for us to get that 0 on the right hand side, that t has to be very big. So t has to go to infinity for that bus to come to a complete stop. Okay, so we have the time of 46 seconds, approximately 47 seconds for that bus to come to a velocity of 1 meter per second, and a time which will go to infinity for that bus to come to a stop with this given model of the equation for the velocity of that bus. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.